Stop everything you're doing right now. The soap sitting in your bathroom could be slowly poisoning your family. I'm about to expose a chemical scandal so shocking that entire countries have banned these products, but somehow, they're still sitting on your shelves. What I'm about to show you will make you question everything you thought you knew about the beauty industry. This isn't just about one soap. This is about a multi-billion-dollar conspiracy that's been hiding in plain sight for decades. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how chemical companies have been using your skin as a gateway to flood your bloodstream with toxins. And more importantly, I'll show you the natural alternative that could save your health and your money. Default Teddy Dove Soap Scandal Breakdowns. Let's start with the facts that will shock you. Nigeria's National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control (NAFDAC) just issued an emergency recall for Dove Beauty Cream Bar Soap, batch number 81832M08. But here's what they don't want you to know. This chemical, let me break down its name for you. Butylphenylmethylpropionyl, or BMHCA. Sounds innocent enough, right? Wrong. This substance is a fragrance ingredient used in decorative cosmetics, fine fragrances, shampoos, toilet soaps, and other toiletries, as well as in non-cosmetic products such as household cleaners and detergents. Why this chemical is terrifying? Scientific research confirms that BMHCA poses a risk of inducing skin sensitization in humans, but that's just the beginning. The 4 pillars of toxicity. Reproductive toxicity. This chemical can literally harm your ability to have children. Skin sensitization. Your skin becomes hypersensitive, leading to chronic allergic reactions. Developmental toxicity. If you're pregnant, this could harm your unborn baby. Contact dermatitis. Chronic inflammation, redness, and painful skin conditions. According to an amendment to the CLP regulation, the use of butylphenylmethylpropionyl has been prohibited in cosmetic products from the 1st of March 2022. So if you're banned it in 2022, why is it still in products on Nigerian shelves in 2025? That's the question that should terrify you. How cosmetic chemicals work against your body. Your skin isn't a barrier, it's a gateway. Cosmetic products contain a wide range of chemicals to which we are exposed every day, and your skin absorbs approximately 60% of everything you put on it directly into your bloodstream. The molecular pathway of destruction. When BMHCA contacts your skin, penetration phase 0 to 15 minutes, the molecule's small size allows it to slip through your skin's lipid barrier. Absorption phase 1560 minutes, it enters your bloodstream through capillaries. Distribution phase 1 to 4 hours, your circulatory system carries it to organs throughout your body. Accumulation phase days 2 years. It builds up in fatty tissues, including reproductive organs. The science of skin sensitization. Let me explain what skin sensitization really means in terms your doctor won't tell you. When the MHCA molecules interact with proteins in your skin, they create what scientists call hapten protein complexes. Your immune system sees these as foreign invaders and launches an attack. But here's the terrifying part. It also attacks your own healthy skin cells in the process. This is why people develop chronic eczema, unexplained rashes, adult-onset allergies, autoimmune skin conditions, the reproductive system attack. Scientific studies reveal that butylphenyl methylpropional is irritating to the skin and eyes. But the reproductive toxicity is what should truly alarm you. In women, disrupts estrogen production, can cause irregular cycles, may impact egg quality. In men, interferes with testosterone synthesis, can reduce sperm count and motility. In pregnancy, crosses the placental barrier, potentially affecting fetal development. How dangerous products reach your shelves. NAFDAC revealed something that should shock every Nigerian. This Dove soap with the dangerous chemicals shouldn't even exist in Nigeria because import prohibition. Soaps are on Nigeria's restricted import list. Foreign exchange ineligible. Cosmetics can't get foreign exchange for import. Database absence. This specific product isn't even in NAFDAC's approved database. So how did it get here? That's the multi-million-dollar question, the global regulatory maze. No category of consumer product is subject to less government oversight than cosmetics and other personal care products. The shocking truth, Europe banned 1,400 plus chemicals in cosmetics. United States banned only 11 chemicals in cosmetics. Nigeria relies heavily on international standards but faces enforcement challenges. The corporate responsibility gap. Here's what Unilever Dove's parent company knew and when they knew it. 2016 initial European safety concerns raised. 2017 Scientific Committee on Consumer Safety issues warnings. 2019 Final European assessment confirms dangers. 2022 EU ban takes effect. 2025 still found in products in developing markets. This isn't an accident. This is calculated market dumping of dangerous products. BMHCA is just the beginning. Your bathroom hides many more chemical time bombs. Parabens found in 85% of products. These endocrine disruptors are even linked to breast cancer. Sulfates strip your skin's natural oils, cause irritation, and carry carcinogens. Phthalates are reproductive toxins, hidden behind the word fragrance, and they're everywhere. Formaldehyde releasers, found in preservative-free products, are known carcinogens. These are just some of the toxic 12 chemicals silently damaging your health every day. Surfactants have a hydrophilic head and a lipophilic tail, perfect for breaking oil, but also your skin barrier. Emulsifiers blend oil and water using amphiphilic molecules, but also disrupt your skin's lipid structure. Preservatives stop microbial growth, but many are toxic to human skin cells too. Your skin has 3 layers, the stratum corneum, epidermis, and dermis, each with unique vulnerabilities. The stratum corneum is just 10 to 40 microns thick. Surfactants can break right through it. Once chemicals reach the dermis, they can enter your bloodstream and nerves directly. Saponification, a natural reaction between oils and lye, creating soap and glycerin, no synthetics needed. This ancient method has been healing skin for over 4,000 years. Azuki beans gently exfoliate while offering antioxidant protection with natural flavonoids. Cucumber flower water hydrates and calms inflamed skin, thanks to vitamin C and cucurbitacins. Cocoa butter repairs the skin barrier and moisturizes deeply without clogging pores. Mandarin orange oil provides natural fragrance, antimicrobial action, and mood uplift. Start by melting cocoa and coconut oil, keeping the temperature between 100 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Always dissolve lye in cucumber water at 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit with gloves, goggles, and airflow. Mix oils and lye at exactly 105 degrees Fahrenheit and blend until like trace, like thin pudding. Add botanicals and essential oils at trace to preserve their healing power. For 2 to 3 months, the soap cures slowly, pH drops, and texture hardens naturally. This is real healing soap, pure, cured, and softer than any chemical bar. Commercial soap costs more than just money. You're also paying with your health. Natural soap costs less, saves your skin, and protects the environment. From fewer rashes to stronger skin, natural soap transforms your health over time. Skin issues from harsh soap would cost you thousands over time. Chemical soaps pollute water and harm life. Natural soap is clean and safe. Your soap water waters plants, not poisons them, and no plastic trash. Europe bans over 1,400 substances in cosmetics. Consumer safety comes first. In the US, only 11 ingredients are banned. Companies regulate themselves. In countries like Nigeria, weak enforcement and lack of awareness create risk. Same brand, safer formula for Europe. Harsher chemicals for Africa, that's chemical colonialism. Start by checking every soap and cosmetic in your bathroom today. If you see batch number 81,832 remove it immediately. This isn't just about soap. This is about your health, your family's safety, and your right to know. You now have the knowledge, the formula, and the power. What will you do with it? If this opened your eyes, smash that like button and share it with everyone you care about.